In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an ID card in Canva. This walkthrough is perfect for beginners, and by the end, you'll have a clean, professional ID card ready to use. First, open Canva. On the left side of the screen, click Templates. In the search bar at the top, type ID card. You'll see a variety of styles from modern and minimal to colorful and creative. Take a moment to browse and pick a design that matches your needs or brand vibe. When you find one you like, click it, then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Let's personalize the text. Click any text field on the card, like the name, position, or ID number. Replace the placeholder text with your own details. Keep the font size readable and avoid cramming too much information. ID cards work best when the essentials are clear at a glance. If the text wraps oddly, adjust the text box size or reduce the font slightly to maintain a clean layout. Canva autosaves as you go, so you won't lose your changes. Now update the photo. Click the image placeholder on the card. You can upload your own photo from your device, or, if you're creating a sample, choose a stock image by going to Elements, then Photos. After you drop in the image, use the crop or position options to center the face and keep it well framed. Aim for a neutral background and good lighting for a professional look. Next, customize the colors and design to match your brand or organization. Click any shape, background, or text element, then use the color picker in the top toolbar to switch colors. Keep contrast strong, dark text on light backgrounds or vice versa, so the card stays legible. You can adjust the layout by moving shapes, resizing icons, or tweaking spacing. Small refinements, like aligning text and keeping margins consistent, make a big difference in the final result. When you're happy with the design, it's time to download. Click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select your preferred file type. PNG is great for digital use, while PDF is ideal for printing. Pick the quality you need, then click Download to save your ID card to your device. And that's how you edit an ID card in Canva. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy design tutorials.